Hello everybody! From this video, you will learn how to configure data backup, create a backup copy, and restore Windows Server to a previous condition, and how to recover information that could be lost if you have formatted the hard disk.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
Important data can be lost or the operating system may crash due to a number of reasons, for example, a system update, a virus attack, careless removal of a file, system errors, human faults, cleaning the recycle bin, disk formatting, etc. If you face one of these problems, don't worry. This video will help you restore your server back to normal and recover the lost data. When files are deleted in Windows Server operating system, they don't disappear from the hard disk. They can still be restored from the recycle bin if they were not removed without using the recycle bin. Even if the files were deleted permanently from the recycle bin, there is still a good chance to recover them. In Windows, files never disappear without trace. It's just the space they used to occupy on the hard disk or another storage device is marked as free for writing new data. You can either recover the information or restore operability and previous state of the operating system from a backup. If there is no backup to rely on, use a specialized data recovery tool. Backing up Windows Server is an important part of everyday server management. Backup copies enable recovery after crashes when data may be lost. By default, the backup feature is not installed for the server version of Windows. To add it, open the Start menu, find and launch Server Manager. In the Manager, click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Leave the installation type without changes. Next. In the Server Choosing tab, don't change anything. Next. And move on to the components. Scan the list for Windows Server Backup, check its box, click Next and then Install. When the installation is over, click Close. Windows Server Backup has been installed successfully. Now you can access its backup features. In order to create a backup or configure a scheduled backup, open Server Manager, Tools, Windows Server Backup. For quick launch, type wb-admin.msc in the search field. Here are the options you can access: Backup Schedule, Backup Once, Recover, and Configure Performance Settings. To configure automatic backup on schedule, open Backup Schedule. When selecting backup configuration, specify backup type, full server, backup all server data, applications and system state, or custom, if you want to select a certain volume of files to be backed up. Choose backup time and how often you want it to run. Select destination for backups, and one of the options is to save them to a network folder. When choosing this specific option, you can see a note that you will only have one backup at a time, because the previous one always gets overwritten. Give the network path and click Next. After that, you'll be asked to give your account details to enable the scheduled backup. If you only need one copy, select Backup Once. Select Custom in backup configuration if you want to choose a specific folder of files and add items to be backed up. Specify destination where to save the copy and click Backup to start working. Now that the backup is ready, let's explore the scenario when you need to restore Windows Server. In different cases with the operating system crashing, having a backup will save you a lot of time if compared with having to reinstall and reconfigure the whole thing. In order to restore Windows Server to a previous state, open Server Manager, Tools, Windows Server Backup. When you open Recover, you'll be asked to select the backup location – this server or a backup stored in another location. Specify the network folder or local disk where the backup is stored. Select the data from which server should be recovered. Next, select the backup to recover. Check the items to be recovered. Choose the destination folder to recover to. Next. Hit Recover to start. The system will calculate how many files are to be recovered and the process will begin. Once it's done, click Close. If you have a recovery drive, you can use it to bring your operating system back to normal. To do it, start by booting with an installation disk or a USB drive. In the installation window, click on System Recovery, then select Troubleshoot. After that, the corresponding window will open. Choose the image and click Next. You may leave the box to Format and Repartition disks checked, as it is. Ready? Confirm restoring the computer from the image. Wait until the process is over. After the restart, the server will be restored to the state recorded in the last backup. If certain information is lost because your Windows Server operating system crashed and there is no backup to restore it from, use a third-party data recovery tool. With hundreds of utilities available nowadays, we recommend using our product, Hetman Partition Recovery. When it comes to recovering files after reinstalling an operating system, you can rest assured that Hetman Partition Recovery will do the job perfectly. It will scan the hard disk or external storage device, find the lost data, and help you recover it in a simple and efficient way. Here is what you do to get your data back. Step 1. Connect your hard disk to another computer with a Windows operating system. Download and install Hetman Partition Recovery. Remember to immediately stop using the hard disk where the important information used to be stored. Also, we strongly recommend against reinstalling the operating system because it may overwrite your data and you won't be able to recover it. Step 2. In the Drive Manager, select the disk, right-click on it and choose Open. Try a fast scan first. It will take less time. If the fast scan can't find the deleted data, then go for full analysis. Step 3. The File Recovery wizard will scan the selected volume immediately and display the scan results in the right side of the program's window. Step 4. When the scan is over, all you need is to select the deleted files you want to restore and then click the Recovery button. Specify where to save the data and click Recovery again. Also, Our program can create a disk image and then conduct all recovery operations with this image, which increases your chances to restore the deleted information successfully because multiple rounds of scanning may result in data overwriting. And, summing up, I hope this guide helps you to restore your Windows Server back to normal and recover the lost information. Now you can restore the operating system and have it in the same previous state again. You won't have to reconfigure it from scratch and all the files will be located where they are supposed to be. And that is all for now. Hopefully this video was useful. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Push the bell button to receive notifications and never miss new videos. Leave comments to ask questions. Thank you for watching and good luck!